Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So far so long I have not been able to create video because of my medical emergencies. Yes, thanks God I was affected by corona and right now I am fine. So I came back for you to make video to show you to show you what is going on in stock market. Okay, so it is Saturday, so let's check out where market will be on Monday. So I'm going to show you today how I select stock in stock market. Basically I trade on Nifty 50 only. So let's see where Nifty can be. Let's see about a bank Nifty. If you see 15-minute chart, bank Nifty make a halt, means here is a consolidation in Friday's market. There is been consolidation and it has shown little bit uptrend. So if you draw a trend line, let's suppose if you draw a trend line like here, market is showing little bit uptrend. So I am thinking about that in Monday market will be going up, and here is three green candle has been put, which is a 5-minute candle chart. 15-minute that has shown that people has already put buy some stocks and kept that for Monday. So when they will be opening in Monday, their stock will be at high and they're going to sell it. So let's say about so this is the analysis of bank Nifty that will going to be up in Monday. So I'm thinking about that and Monday there will be little bit gap up opening. Okay, let's see Nifty future August. Yes, there is a possibility also that Nifty at August will also going to open a uptrend going to open on uptrend, because here simply you can see that support and it has fallen considerably from 2 days, and it is on third day that it will going to halt and going to up. Okay, and you can also see the volume of the last 15 minutes that is considerably going high. So it is probability, it is 90% probability that in Monday Nifty can be Nifty will be gap up opening. So let's see about the stocks of Nifty 50. So how I going to select the stocks for Monday. So here it is. First of all, I will basically go for one day candle. So Sun Pharma, you can see Sun Pharma has given a breakout. Here was the resistance, and it has broken the resistance. But from past 2 or 3 days, it has shown then considerably high. Means a stock cannot be go like this. Stock cannot be go like this. So it has to become little bit lower, then it will go up. So I am planning for selling. I am just looking for selling. So let's keep it. So I am planning for sale Sun Pharma. I'm thinking to go for sale in Sun Pharma on Monday. Let's say Techem. Techem has moved very high, as I have mentioned you earlier on Sun Pharma. The stock cannot go on single 90-degree direction. It has to come to halt. So let's now look at this. Techem has gone considerably 3 days highs, just like 1 2 3 4 days. Then it has made a little bit means lower down, then it will go high, then it has made a one green candle. So I am going to buy Next, TechM I am going to buy on Monday, so I am writing it on a buying side. And let's go for BPCL. You can see that BPCL has made a considerable halt up here, but I cannot able to and I cannot able to judge whether it is going to be down from this position or going to up from this position, because their selling volume has considerably lowered down from the previous day, and it has fallen 3 days continuously. So it is possible that it can go up or it can go down. So I am leaving this stock. So let's go for the Cipla. Cipla has shown breakout. Let's see how can I able to tell you that that it hasn't been breakout. Let's consider this is the support lines. Here was the support, here was the support, here was the support, here was the support, and this was the resistance line, and this was the resistance, this was the resistance, and it has made a breakout in these positions. So I am thinking that it will come little bit lower on a Monday, and then it will go uptrend, and volume also shown very high. So I am just because as I say that 3 considerable, but this was a little bit increase but not a high increase, and this has simply made a breakout, and Friday was the breakout. So breakout will going to last another day, means at least it will going to last for 2 days in breakout. So I am thinking to buy this on Monday, because that was yesterday's breakout. So breakout will going to last at least for 2 days. So I am thinking to buy in Cipla. So next will be UPL. Let's see. UPL has shown simply the breakout, and it is about to break out these positions, because look at the volume of the stocks, it will be very high, considerably going high. So it is probability that it will going to break out in Monday. So I'm thinking to buy the UPL. Okay, UPL. So here is my chart. Bharti Airtel has shown little bit decrease in the volume. As you can see, there is a very big candle of seller side. So I can simply predict that the sellers are more powerful in the Bharti Airtel, and it has also shown lots of resistance up here, and its stock has come down. And if you write a drawing on it, you can able to see that there is a complete cup which is reversed cup pattern. It is creating reverse cup pattern, and I am thinking to sell this stock because it has going to fall like here, up here. Okay, so I'm going to plan it for selling side. So Bharti Airtel will be selling side. Guys, I basically trade on Nifty 50 only, 50 stocks, and on them also I have selected one. Some you can see you can see that they will going to uptrend in M&M, considerably going up, and here it has shown 2 red candle, and then on Friday it has shown a green candle. So it is probably that next Monday will also be a green candle. So M&M I am going to buy. So let's go for IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, yes, it is probability that IndusInd Bank going to high, because here is a green candle that has been put up, means volumes buyers are very high, and it couldn't able to pull the seller couldn't able to lower down the stocks below, though they are very much in power on on Friday. So it is probability that the stock will going to high in Monday. So I'm going to buy in Industrial Bank on Monday. Okay, ICICI Bank, let's see. Yes, ICICI is a 90% probability that it will going to be high, because on the past couple of days it has been gone tremendously low, and here it has put a doji candlesticks. Are those candlesticks where you can see that buyers and sellers are not in power. Means candle has made a green or red on the middle of the candlestick. That means a buyer are in same power or seller are also in same power. No one able to push the stocks on their side. Means if there were sellers are very powerful, then it would have lowered the stock value to side, and if the buyers are so much powerful, it will pull up the stocks. But it here there is a no, means both the seller and buyer are in the same position, and that is called doji candles. And it has a green doji candle, simply says that buyers are much more favorable than the sellers. And I am thinking that Axis Bank, ICICI Bank will go up in Monday, so I'm going to buy it, and it is most probability that they will going to very high. So next will be our Grissom. I couldn't able to say where it going to be high or low, because it has so far means here is a resistance, here is resistance, here is resistance, and it has just coming up to the resistance. But it can also be possibility that from Monday it can go down. Okay, so on my thinking, I couldn't able to judge this stock, because I don't know anything. Means it has made the candle on a middle of resistance and support. Here is a support, and it has gone very high on Friday, and here is a resistance. It is possible that on a 650 it will go to 650, and then it can fall. And it is also possible that it will gap up open on above 650. If it's gap up open on 650 above, then it is a breakout, and it is possibility that it will go very high. But as I cannot able to judge it right now from the chart which I am seeing, so I am leaving this stock. So let's see Axis Bank. Yes, Axis Bank is a probability. Axis Bank, there is a seller in power. Lots of sellers are in lots of power, because you can see there is a big red candle, but green candles are very small. Green candles are very small, and volumes are okay. Volumes is okay. People are buying and holding their stocks in Axis Bank, because volume is high, but their candle is very short, green candles, and it is possible that it will go very high. But I cannot able to judge this, because the candles are very small, and sellers candles in very high. And in Monday, the stock market, which is NSE, means Nifty will going to high, and Bank Nifty will going to be very high. So in that case, I cannot able to judge whether it will go downside or in upside. So I am means Nifty will going to be in uptrend in Monday, so 90% possibility. But it has shown that it doesn't able to. It has a showing that 90% probability that it will go down on Monday, because red candles are very high, and in that respect green candles are very small. So I couldn't able to judge it, so I am leaving these stocks. Infamy, I didn't buy Infamy. I mean, Infosys stocks, I not able to analyze it. because candles are very small, and it is I didn't, so I leave that stock basically from the out of my list. These are the stocks which I basically trade. And now you can see there are two stocks for selling options, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 stocks for buying options. So hope you understand the video, and this is how I select a stock. And right now I'm going to means a further analysis whether I'm going to see any market news or market operation, market information or market news are there in these stocks. Then I will analyze this, adjust it, and then I'm going to make a trade on Monday. So hope you like the videos. If you like the videos, please like the video, click on a like option, and if you are new, please subscribe it. I'm going to upload videos on every day. And thank you.